Because if you make a filter, let's say for example only here 100% for the planned, what about it has actual but no planned? And we have this case, as I believe there are actuals but the planned zero, like this one. Okay, so what to do in this case? I have created very simple formula in Excel asking if this value and or this value has a number, then put here 1. But in that case, when I filter this, I find that there are some items should be removed. I don't want my report to be like this. So what I have created another filter here that will find for me that these two cells are blank, so it is applicable here, and the blue cell is 0. And I created another filter, so when I do both filters, the report will be ready for printing. So it is not a very complicated formulas, but the tip here is you can combine many filters or 1 or 2 filters together in order to get for you the report you want. Let me share with you also another tip here. Instead of doing this by this method filters, I created for this report another method. From the pivot table, I choose not to combine from here you can choose whether to, for the layout, whether to show item label in outline form or in tabular form. So if you do it in tabular form, you can see the data. You can see this is stage A, zone 1, apartment A1, division of work, activity name, all columns beside each others. So this is another method of doing filtering data, and you can easily do a filter here and you are good to go. Also here in my sheet, I'm always using if error, because my formulas will not work without if errors. Let me show you where I used if error. Here, especially when there is some calculations, instead of having NA not applicable all around your sheet, no, use if error. If there is some error, don't show me anything. This is also a tip, helped me a lot to make this report, as you can see. So I shared with you the top tips in my mind so far, but this only the tricks that I have used to create this sheet. And one more thing, I just remembered that the paper direction here different from the paper direction here, so I had to do it in separate sheets. And the other reason I did it in separate sheets, when you don't know the length of your report, because this is dynamic, every time you are going to change anything here, this will not be the same. So I advise you, if you have a dynamic report, to make it in separate sheets. And then when you are printing, just combine these 3 tabs and click print. All will be printed together with the numbering system of your Excel. The final thing I want to discuss with you is the conditional format. You can simply make a conditional format to show red, green, or whatever here. Let's see what I have made here. You can always manage rules to see the logic. So I'm telling Excel, if the cell value between 0.1 and 0.9999, so fill it with green. And here, if it is less than 1%, this is 0.01, it means 1%, then make it red. So this is everything in the report. regarding Excel tips and the tricks. Now let's say you want to edit this report. Let's say you want to show, instead here of 4 weeks, you want to show 5 or 3 or whatever you want. You can, if you decide to make these 5, so you need to come here and insert one row. Then you drag the formula. You drag the formula. Apply it for everything. Be sure that this one is okay. And you need to repeat these steps for all your sheet. You need to have here this the week we just added in all your heading. All this one you need to repeat the same. Be sure that the formula is okay. See, here we have error. Let's see, where is this error? Okay, be sure that this is not relevant to us. Okay, now it's working. Okay, from here, let's say you want to add one more column. You just need to drag it like this. This is where is the plan? Yeah, and you need to find where it is. This a week. This is week and planned progress data AB3. So where is planned progress data? AB3. So we need to add it here. I'll insert one column. Just drag the formulas. And be careful, because the first line of the formula here not the same as the second one. Okay, should be fine now here. Yes. Now we're ready to drag it. Okay, and from here you need to just drag it a little bit to add this new values in your chart. Then click here just a little bit. So we added here our 5th week. This method is applicable for anything. Just you need to study the sheet, understand the logic, and be sure that the formula working fine for you. However, deleting is more simple. If you want to delete this one, you just delete it. If you want to show only, but whatever you do here in one area, be sure that to do in the other areas. When you go here, you'll find, and you need to delete this one, and that's it. We finished, and don't forget to edit your range. Here also you just need to edit your range. So it is very simple, straightforward. Even here, if you don't want from here, you can just delete them from here. Whatever I type here, it means this is formula. Don't erase it. As you can see here, this one need to be deleted because we deleted the relevant column. So I hope you understand how to edit such sheet and how to find a method to start enhancing your skills in Excel by reading and understanding other dashboards. What I need from you this week, I need from you to send me, very important, to send me a dashboard. Think about dashboard, how you can modify this one to make it better. If you have a better presentation or if you have better ideas to share your reports, because this is all your efforts. All your effort as a planning engineer is here. Whatever you did in the previous planning stage, whatever you created, whatever, no one will see it. They will only see your final product. So this is your final product. You need to be sure it is very accurate and eye-catching. So I need to see your opinions, how your ideas, how you can make this look better, or if you have another ideas of presentation, share with us. Let's create like a bank of dashboards. So this dashboard is from us to you. Now we need to get your feedback. Send us, even if you have it by pen and paper, no problem. Show us what else we can add in a dashboard. This is the dashboard is for senior management, and the detailed is for the construction team. So what else we can give them? What else we can share with them? What information we can tell them? But consider that the dashboard should be limited to 2 pages, and the detailed report, there is no limitation for it. What you can present in 2 pages that can catch the senior management eyes and show that you are a professional planning engineer. I'm so proud of you that you reached this stage of the course, because I believe so far you have learned many skills, but it is the time now to show up and share your ideas, what you have learned so far, and let's give you recommendations and give you better ideas to enhance your report. Thank you for watching this lesson, and if you have any questions, you're most welcome to ask. If you don't understand any part of this report, or if you don't understand any tip or trick in the Excel, you're most welcome to ask us, and we'll be happy to answer you. Thank you again, and see you in the next week.